guys, so today I'm gonna show you how I clean my RCs, especially RC tanks. Like this one, the Hanglong 1/16 scale Sherman. It has a lot of small details, accessories, and a lot of places that's just hard to get into. This one has been a shelf clean for a while. Due to pandemic, wasn't able to get out that much, and you can see it accumulated dirt. It has some cobwebs as well, so we're gonna clean all of that. And this is what I use. It's a clean slime. I mean, you can use any brand, it doesn't matter. And this is the same thing that I use in cleaning my real car's dashboard. So what you do is you take a portion of it, depending on the area that you'll be cleaning. If it's basically your car's dashboard, so you can take the whole thing. But with RCs, I would say small would be better. And you just simply dab it to the areas that you wanted to clean, just like what I'm doing now. And as you can see, it already shows the difference between the areas to where I stick it into, where I dabbed it, compared to where I haven't cleaned it yet. So that's how effective it is. Let me show you here the dirt it absorbed so far, and you can use this several times. You'll know when to replace it, or throw it away. Basically, color changes and it wouldn't be that sticking anymore. But this is very cheap, so I advise that if you're gonna buy this, buy it in bundle. And like what I've mentioned earlier, you can use this in your car's interior as well, so worth the money. Now you can also take a larger portion, that way you'd be able to clean or cover a larger area in one go. It's really up to you. Right there. So thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Till the next one.